today, the lotto in California is $85 million. And the number 8 has been really strong in my mind lately. And if you add up the numbers, 2, 13, 2009, it's the number 8. 2 and 13 is 15, and 2009 is 2024. And then you go 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 4 is 8. Because you have to get it down to a single number. So I thought, even though it's Friday the 13th, I'm going to play anyway. So I'm trying to pick my 6 numbers because I don't want to leave it to chance. So I do what I just did with these 6 numbers because I want a number that totals 8. No matter what 6 numbers you pick, they're always going to equal, and let me tell you what I'm talking about. Okay, I know that you weren't following me on that. So I stopped it and so I could write this down. Say you take 14 plus 15, that's 29. Plus 89, that's 118. Plus 24, that's 142. Plus 2, that's 144. Now you add the 1 plus the 4, that's 5, plus the 4 is 9. So 1 plus 4 plus 5 is 9. Now if you do these numbers individually, instead of 14, 15, 89, 24, and 2, if you go 1 plus 4 plus 1 plus 5 plus 8 plus 9 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2, 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 1 is 6, plus 5 is 11, plus 8 is 19, plus 9 is 28, plus 2 is 30, plus 4 is 34, plus 2 is 36. 36 is your final number, but then you have to get it down to the single number. 3 plus 6 is 9. So what I mean by it always totals the same, whether you do it as double digits or if you do it as single digits, even though some of the numbers have double digits in it, it will always, when you get it down to the final number, be the same. I did this repeatedly today. And let's do the 2, 13, 2009. No matter how you add that up, if you go 2 plus 13 plus 20 plus 9, or if you go 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 9, or if you go 2 plus 13 plus 2, 2009, however you add it up, it's always going to equal 8 is your final number. I don't know why that's happening, but I think it's fascinating. They say math is the higher language, and I'm really sorry that I didn't focus on it more. I'm watching all these. Last night I was watching Bugs and Rug and I can't remember her name, but she's they were both doing this alien type thing, alien visit type thing, which just coincidentally happened to be after the night before I watched a show that I've never seen before called Life on Mars. And it's about this guy that gets thrown back into 1973, which is like one of my favorite years. The point was they consulted with an FBI paranormal agent. And he said that if you're abducted by aliens, they're finding that the aliens return you to the same spot, but in a different time period. And so now this guy who's stuck in 1973 from the future, and he doesn't know how it happened. Now, I guess they're leading you to believe that maybe he was abducted and thrown into 1973. But the reason why I even bring this up is because I think if we're going to talk to any kind of alien life force, I think it's going to have to be with math, as many stories have alluded to before. Because I am just so jazzed about this little finding, which somebody out there's got to know it. Somebody has got to know why that happens. So if you know why that happens, please tell me.